Good day. Hi, my name is Bolaji Alaba Ojediran, and I am your lecturer for this Masters in Digital Forensic class. It's a master's class, but we are starting today's lesson from the fundamentals of digital forensic. And for the objective of this lesson, we are just going to, define what digital forensic is, explain one or two things. And I believe by the end of this lesson, you should be able to define what digital forensic is. I promise it's going to be a very interesting one. And I just want you to, come along, just take a grab and probably take a cup of water and settle down. Let's have a wonderful class. So, we start off with the objective of this lesson. After completing this particular lesson, you should be able to define what digital forensic and our introduction. The definition of digital forensic, according to the Digital Forensic Research Workshop of 2001, defined digital forensic as the use of scientifically driven and proven methods towards the preservation, collection, validation, identification, analysis, interpretation, documentation, and presentation of digital evidence derived from digital sources for the purpose of facilitating or furthering the reconstruction of events found to be criminal or helping to anticipate unauthorized action shown to be disruptive to planned operation. I think in summary, what this means is that we are looking for digital fact, digital artifacts, as digital evidences, from digital sources, to prove a particular crime or to disprove a particular crime or to anticipate an action that is yet to happen, which could be found to be destructive to planned operation. Also, digital evidence and investigation. For this, we'll talk about, or let me just quickly, enlighten you about digital evidences. When we talk about digital evidences, we mean data stored or transmitted using an electronic device. No, that's a typo. An electronic device that supports or refutes a theory of how an offense occurred or that addresses critical element of the offense, such as intent or an alibi. Well, when we talk about digital evidence in summary, that just means that they are data stored or transmitted using electronic device. And for electronic device, we have several of them now: computers, phones, iPhone, iPod, all manners of them, Walkmans, and as many as possible. And when we talk about data, you can see it highlighted here. By data, we refer to combination of binary numbers that represent information of various kinds, including text, images, video, audio. And the other side of digital forensic, we talk about digital forensic. I believe by now I have explained in little details about digital, what digital means. Digital evidence is data. Now, talking about the forensic side, the term forensic is defined from the Latin word forensis, and it refers to off or before the forum. What this means is that it alludes to the fact that evidences and how well it is being presented in a case determines the outcome of the case. That is, if you have an evidence, how well you present the evidence determine the outcome of the case. So clearly, in summary, digital evidences exist in abundance on open computer systems, communication systems, embedded systems, and several others. And even crimes that are not committed with the assistance of computers can have related digital evidences. For example, a criminal that commits homicide or arson or suicide, adoption, torture, rape, definitely probably uses a phone, uses a smartphone, and with calls made, interaction here and there, we can decode, we can, extract out digital evidences from that. And so I believe that uh, every crimes connected to digital or aided by computer or digital devices or not, and those committed without the assistance of digital devices definitely can't have tons of digital evidences that we can get to assist in resolving such cases. Wow. I believe this is an interesting lesson, and it has been an exciting lesson for me as a person, and I believe for you too. I hope that now you can confidently identify and explain what digital forensic is. In the next lesson, we shall be discussing computer crime investigation process. And with that, we say thank you from here, and I believe you are help and can clearly identify and explain what digital forensic is. Thank you.